Today's topic is cumulative frequency. First of all, we should know that what is cumulative frequency. It is cumulative frequency of a particular class. It is used in class intervals of a particular class is sum of all frequencies up to that class, means all the frequencies up to that class are added, and that class is also included in that frequency. It will be more clear from the example. A table showing the cumulative frequencies of different classes is called a cumulative frequency distribution table. Here is an example. The number of runs scored by a cricket player in 25 innings. Number of innings are 25. Are as follows. The number of runs scored by a cricket player in 25 innings. Total innings are 25 and the runs scored are these one in 25 innings. Now we are to form a cumulative frequency table for it. First of all, we will find the range. 139 is the highest value and 0 is the lowest value. Therefore, range will be 139 minus 0, that is 139. Now if we take the class size as 20, then number of classes will be 139 divided by 20, nearly equal to 7. Now we will make the cumulative frequency table for it. First of all, we write here scores in the form of class intervals 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140. How many class intervals we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 as mentioned here. Now we will make the tally marks for it. In between 0 to 20, from these scores we get 4 tally marks. Then the frequency from these tally marks comes to be 4. Then in between 20 to 40, frequency is 4. 40 to 60, frequency is 7. 60 to 80, frequency is 4. 80 to 100, 3. 100 to 120, 1. 120 to 140, 2. Now we are to make the cumulative frequency. As mentioned here, what is cumulative frequency of cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency of a particular class interval is sum of all frequencies up to that class interval including that class also. Now see here 0 to 20, because there is the first class interval. In 4 innings 0 to 20 the frequency is 4. Then here cumulative frequency is 4. Now from 20 to 40 means below 40 over whole score. Below 40 whole score will be 4 plus 4 in 8 innings. Below 40 we take the score, that will be in 8 innings. Then 40 to 60 the cumulative frequency will be 8 plus 7, that is the 15 innings. In 15 innings the score is taken out to be in between 0 to 60. In 15 innings 0 to 60 score was taken out. Then in 60 to 80, when we are to find the cumulative frequency, then we will add this 15 with the frequency here. 15 plus 4, 19. In the same way, we will go on adding 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 1, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. In this way, we add the frequency of the previous class interval to the next class interval to find the cumulative frequency. Frequency of previous class interval to the next class interval to find the cumulative frequency of a class interval. See here the frequency is 4. In the first class interval it will remain same. To find cumulative frequency of next class interval, we will add this 4 into the frequency of this class interval and it becomes to be 8. then this 8 plus 7 15, then 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 3 22, 22 plus 1 23, 23 plus 2 25. In this way we find the cumulative frequency table.